In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for video effects in CapCut. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the effects library, how to use the search bar to zero in on a specific look, and how to pick the effect that matches your creative idea without digging through endless categories. Start by opening CapCut. If you already have a project, open it. Otherwise, create a new one so you have a clean workspace. Next, add your video to the timeline. You can import your clip from your files and place it on the main video track. This ensures any effect you add targets the right footage. It also helps to position the playhead over a part of the clip with some motion or detail, so you can preview changes more clearly. Now, head to the effects area. On desktop, you'll see an effects option in the editing tools. On mobile, select your clip and look for effects in the bottom toolbar. Opening this reveals the effects library. You'll notice categories like trending, basic, glitch, cinematic, and more, which are great to browse. But the fastest route is the search bar. Look for the search field at the top of the effects panel. If it isn't visible, expand the panel or switch to the Video Effects section so the search tools appear. Click or tap into the field and type a keyword that describes the style you want. For example, try words like glitch, VHS, blur, film grain, zoom, bokeh, neon, or vintage. If the exact effect name isn't coming to mind, use a simple description of the vibe you're after. You can refine your results by trying broader or more specific terms, or by combining two keywords. As you type, CapCut filters the library in real time. Browse the thumbnails and hover or tap to see a quick preview. When you find something that fits your vision, choose the effect. It will apply to your clip and appear as an effect layer on the timeline. Press play to see it in motion. From here, fine-tune to taste. Open the effects controls to adjust intensity, speed, color, or blend, whatever parameters are available. If you only want the effect on part of the clip, trim or move the effect layer so it covers just that section. You can also stack multiple effects for a more complex look, keeping an eye on playback performance as you layer. That's the workflow. Open CapCut, add your video, go to Effects, find the search bar, type your keywords, and choose the effect that brings your edit to life.